Look what your micromanaging made me do!
I did this? Are you serious right now?
You sure did! You got me all muddled!
You muddled yourself with all your gabbing.
My gabbing? That's it. We need to start seeing our counselor again.
Oh, for the love of... Ugh! I'd rather rot than take his advice again. There's been a lack of resources.
Sodor ain't too kind to diesels like us.
I suppose this lack of support leaves you two feeling...
neglected.
Right. Right, and when you feel this way, do you find yourselves treating each other worse in that same sense?
There, it'll be alright.
I see. I see. Well, I suggest you broaden your horizons, get some fresh air, meet some new faces.
As in we... open up?
If you're comfortable.
I don't know, Doc.
Alright, look. I know a guy who's going through the same problems as you two. He says he's trying to make Sodor a better place for diesels, and he's also willing to diversify his romantic life.
I don't know. He seems nice.
Okay, I'll get you all arranged then. That'll be $1,500, credit or check.
Oh, yeah.
Move it or lose it, wise guy.
Oh, bollocks.
That's coming out of our pay.
Now we won't be able to afford another counseling session.
There, don't give him his bike. It's what he wants. Oh, yeah. Donald, you and your tricks. Why are you always so tricky?
Oh, I'm sorry, Percy. I just had to. The moment was too good to pass up.
What do you want, huh?
Oh, we need backup on Duxbridge Lane. Oliver had an accident yesterday, so he's indisposed. We're in the market for a really useful tank engine.
Really useful is my middle name.
That's a good lad.
Nice to see you again, Doc.
Likewise. The mine ruins are up ahead. Plenty of abandoned trucks around. Take Toad. He'll help you keep a lookout.
Nothing to fret over. This place is a bigger mess than I thought, Mr. Percy. I think we should ask them which trucks are ours. Oh, bother, not those two. Do you know them, Mr. Percy? I know they're trouble.
And the last thing he does is send us one of those gross fruit bouquets that you just let sit around and rot.
I am not touching that thing.
Oh, it's you. The green one.
You call him Mr. Percy, Mr. Splatter?
Oh, forgive me.
What do you need?
We want to find our trucks. Where are they? No nonsense.
You see that grotto over there? Those are yours. Shush!
Really?
Shut up!
I think he means it, Mr. Percy. Thank you. Easy does it, Mr. Percy. Great. Look, Mr. Percy. You struck gold. Gold?
Gold?
Okay. Job well done, mate.
That's a good lad.
To think I was so close to finding that gold myself. I need a miracle soon. The workmen gotta wait until they find the right parts for me.
Don't worry, Ollie. We'll find a miracle for you soon. Here's one now.
She'll be safe here for now. I don't trust yon diesels. Always misbehaving.
Hey, we can hear you.
Splatter, I don't think they care.
I wouldn't trust no engine with that truck. It ought to be a dagger's cauldron. I've never seen anything like it. That's only a myth, Donny. Speak for yourself.
Dagda's cauldron? What on earth are you talking about?
It be a Celtic legend about a mighty god's magic pot made entirely out of gold.
Psst. Listen.
Legend says 'twas a pot of infinite wealth and health. The cauldron was truly eternal. It would feed and heal hundreds of villages during famines.
That's legendary.
It does, and nothing else.
Right.
Let's not get all excited. We have a long day ahead of us.
I believe it, Donald.
Splatter, you know what this means?
We get a timeout?
What? No. That legend. Dagda's cauldron. If what that Scot said is true.
Infinite wealth and health.
Bingo. Which means...
We can afford couples counseling.
No. Well, yeah, sure, whatever. But it also means we can get the resources we deserve forever.
Ooh.
And that way, we won't need that stupid counselor.
I love it.
Mr. Percy! Huh? Toad? Those diesels have done it again! They have the gold truck! Not for long.
Give him hell, lad!
What do you think you're doing?
That was suspiciously easy.
That's because I was the one doing it.
Oh, here we go. Look, you're always the
Don't be
first to
uptight
bite the
with
bullet.
me.
Okay, I think they're distracted. Just a minute, Mr. Percy. Look at these spare parts. They'd be perfect for Mr. Oliver. Perhaps they'll fit in the gold truck.
And you know what? I hate your diesel casserole.
How could you?
I'm sorry. That was uncalled for.
Did you just apologize?
Yes! Look, the fact is, Splatter, I really do care about you. What the?
Floor it, Mr. Percy.
Our pot of gold! After those fossils!
We're home free. Beautifully done, Mr. Percy.
Well, so much for our happy little ending.
You know what? I think as long as we're together, it's not the worst ending.
I like the sound of that, Dodgy.
Oh, God, Red, please don't call me that.
Well, I never. You're certainly a brave one, Percy.
Aye, a pillar to the railway. I can't believe you went through all that trouble for a truck.
You said it yourself. It's not just a truck. It's Dagda's cauldron.
Look what you did, Donny. For the lifetime. It's just amazing.
I wouldn't be too sure just yet, Mr. Donald.
I don't believe it. I'll be fixed in no time.
Oh, wow. Peely Wally. Ditto.
Dagder sure showed you.
You are a tricky one, Mr. Percy. I know.